everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time. I think it's a month or so yeah, it's really been a long time. It's nice to see you, everyone. Thank you so much for those who are going to watch my video. Thank you so much in advance. And for today's video, guys, I'm going to share to you, this is my self-experience, my own experience about this product. So I want to tell you guys, I'm not good in reading. I'm not really good in reading and pronunciation, of course. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about this Korean product. It is Clears. So this is so cute. A lot of colors, see? Yeah, a lot of colors. So the packaging is cute. Let's move on. This product is a hold on. It is Clears vitamin E niacinamide, and I don't know how to pronounce. I will put the word here because I really don't know how to pronounce it, but it's adenosine or adenosine boosting radiance and glow. I really love this product, guys, tell you. So tiny, and but look, almost done. I will show you the consistency of this product, guys, and it's really nice. The consistency, it's not sticky, and it's very lightweight to your skin. And I will show you. See, it's really like it's not sticky at all. And this is the consistency of this product. It's just really so nice. I feel fresh when I put it on my face. I use it sometimes day and nighttime. I think I'm not sure if how long, but as you can see, there is none, just very little bit inside, because I almost finished, and have planned to purchase this, the biggest one. It's I don't know if it's pricey for some people, but for me it is a bit pricey with this little tiny what do you call that, container. The smell, if you guys can remember or have any idea, the smell of, you know, the massage, when you go to massage place room, and the smell, it's really refreshing, like refreshing. It's almost the same, that smell, and it's really, I like it. It's really nice. And it when you put it, you can smell, and then the smell, it's just, you know, not gonna stay for a long time. So which is, I really do like. When I use it in the daytime, of course, when I use it, I have the sunscreen. It's everyday sun protection and SPF 50 plus PA++. So it is really nice, and it is broad spectrum sunscreen, water-based, gel texture gel texture, and vegan friendly. And okay, I will give you a what do you call that, comparison is it, if I don't know if I'm right, or but comparison, like compare, I will compare this into my ultimate sunscreen. I told you, I think I had I also had a review with this one. This is the Garnier and Light Complete. It's a lot different, okay, because I will explain to you guys. I use The Ordinary as I had a I think I still have a lot of Ordinary product there that I did not try yet. I have to try it out. So the Ordinary is a serum. So every time I put it at daytime, especially the niacinamide, I put it in the morning, and for some reason, I don't know, I keep saying for some reason, so I have no idea, when I put the Ordinary together with this, it's, you know, you can feel the some skin or some stuff take off from your skin, and it's really annoying, and it's really not nice to feel. So, and it's, I love this, of course I love this sunscreen, but I can the more you try out other product, the more you learn, the more you can figure out which one is better. So of course this one is nice, but it's really sticky and it has a white finish, which this one is a lot different. It is, there is no white finish on this one. So I will put this in this side and the other side is in here, so it's clear. Just show you the this is the consistency of this one. I put this much. Okay, so you actually can put a lot of sunscreen in your face, like in the morning, like every other 3 hours or 2 hours. So it says in here this one, it says in here every 3 hours. So I really like this one because see, I just put it that way there. It's the sunscreen, so there is a lot different. See, as you can see, oops, so that's the result here. So I will try to put this in the other side, just the same amount. I think this one is more a bit little, so I'll show you. See, just now you see here is like clear. It's a lot. So okay, tap it. I don't think I put a lot. It was just a little bit, like almost the same the amount of what I put the other side. So voila, put it here because I did put the other side. See, it has white finish, white complexion, white finish, which is, it's not bad anyway, guys, in the morning. But I actually not go out every day, like because of what happened now. So especially here now is MCO3, so really not allowed to go out. Even I stay in the house, I still use a sunscreen. You must use sunscreen because, you know, of course when you cook, it has hot feeling when you cook thing or cook your food, you know, it's hot. And yeah, I always, even I just stay in the house, I always use a sunscreen. And I usually yes, I do use this one when I go out because it, you know, it's so nice. It's not white in your face. And this one, I show you, it's almost finished also because I use it every day when I am here in the house. This one when I go out. And it's plan, really do have a plan to buy the biggest one of this one, both of them. It's really nice. So yeah, my final thought of this product, it's I do love it, and of course I will repurchase this product, and of course I will recommend to you this product, guys. You should try out, and so you can see it to yourself. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for those who are still watching my video. Really do thank you, guys. And do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, also you can share if you can. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much in advance. And yeah, that's it. I hope I can see you on my next video, and ciao. See you, everyone.